As always, get it out of the clamps, scrape off as much glue as you can, and pry off the back piece. Now we take your lid and we're going to spend a pretty good amount of time here at the sander. Remember that we really only need one side to be perfect, and the other side doesn't need to be because it's going to be on the bottom. The only limitation I would give you is try not to sand it any thinner than 0.75. That's 3/4 of an inch thick. Hopefully yours is a lot thicker than that, and that's good. That's what we want. But no thinner than 0.75. If it looks like it's going to be that way, better come get me and let me double check. Set it up and just keep running it through, flipping it every time until you're happy with at least one side, and hopefully both, but at least the one. You can see that I like to put mine through at an angle to start, just to get it through a couple of times and make sure it's not going to get jammed in there. But after I know it goes, now I'm going to go straight through every single time. One tap per pass, because this top is pretty big. When you're done with the wide belt sander, you might notice that some of your corners didn't quite line up. So this one right here. And while I went very close, you can see that this corner's sticking a little further than this. Now yours could be better or worse or whatever, but I like to take it back to the edge sander way in the back of the shop in front of the lacquer room, just to lightly sand the edges, and that'll take off any of the overhang in the corner. So it won't take much, just enough to get them all squared off so we can put it on the CNC machine evenly. Put it against the stop right here and then push it in lightly. I wouldn't recommend putting it here. It's too easy to lose your grip, and then you'll lose a corner as well. Just a little bit to get any overhang off the edges. There, and that's about all we need.